Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we bring you the best tips and tricks to make money online. Ever thought about making money just by playing mobile games? Yes, you heard that right. You can actually earn some extra cash while enjoying your favorite mobile games. Well, here's your chance to earn some cash while having fun with your favorite games. Imagine turning your gaming hobby into a profitable venture. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our awesome money-making tips. We have a lot of exciting content lined up just for you. We've got global opportunities for online earning, so drop your country in the comments for videos tailored just for you. Whether you're in the US, UK, India, or anywhere else, we've got something for everyone. Alright, let's get into it. Today, we're going to talk about an amazing app that lets you earn real cash by playing mobile games. Today I'm talking about Towering Tiles, a free app where you can actually earn real cash just by playing mobile games. This app is a game changer for all the mobile gaming enthusiasts out there. Towering Tiles has hit over 100,000 downloads and snagged a solid 4-star rating from more than 4,000 reviews. That's a testament to how popular and reliable this app is. That's a lot of people making money while having fun. Imagine being part of this growing community of gamers who are turning their passion into profit. So, how does it work? It's pretty simple and straightforward. Every time you play, you get ticket rewards that give you a chance to win some seriously awesome prizes. These tickets are your gateway to earning real cash. Just play any of the games and snag at least one ticket to get into the frequent cash prize draws. The more you play, the more tickets you earn. The more tickets you grab, the better your chances of winning some cash. It's that simple. The more you play, the more you earn. You're literally getting paid to do something you already love. Playing games on your phone. It's a win-win situation. Imagine turning your downtime into a money-making opportunity. Sounds pretty sweet, right? Instead of just playing games for fun, you can now play games and earn money at the same time. I want to hear from you. Have you ever tried any apps that pay you to play games? What was your experience like? Have you tried Towering Tiles before? If yes, how was your experience? Did you manage to win any cash prizes? What's your experience been like? We would love to hear your stories and tips on how to maximize earnings from these apps. Share your thoughts or experiences in the comments below. Your feedback helps us and the community to find the best ways to earn money online. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button. Your support means a lot to us and helps us create more valuable content for you. And of course, turn on notifications to stay updated on future videos. We have a lot more exciting content coming your way, so stay tuned. Catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.